Hey there everybody, my name is Chris and this is my first video for my new channel that I'm going to be having here. I do have another channel called Wicked Digger and it is for my metal detecting hobby that I have. I enjoy it, I enjoy history, and if you enjoy metal detecting or history or anything like that, please follow me, Wicked Digger, on YouTube. I'm also on Facebook and you can find me at Digging with Wicked Digger and Nocta Macro. Nocta Macro is the company that I use a detector for, and this is the detector actually is the Nocta Macro Simplex that I use. And with all that aside, anyhow, this is a new channel. I've been a technician for 15 years in the motorsports industry, and I love to repair stuff myself, tinker with stuff, figure stuff out, and hopefully you do too, and hopefully you can watch this video and all my coming videos to help you out with maybe some of your projects, or maybe just enjoy watching it. Hopefully you do. If you do, please hit that like button, please hit that subscribe button, and I'm going to show you my next project here. This is a camper that my fiance and I bought in 2015 for $500. We took it out in 2016 for 1 week, and then it sat for 4 years. So we're gonna show you around the camper. I've already started working on it a little bit and then decided to do this. So there's already some stuff apart, there's some stuff that still needs to come apart, a lot of stuff, and we're gonna do a lot of repairs here. Basically, we bought this camper for $500. It had tons of water damage because the vent in the bathroom was left open all winter, all year. All kinds of water entered and damaged the floors, the walls in the bathroom. So I'm going to turn you around here, show you around the camper, and we'll continue from there. So here is the camper. It is a 1994 Sunline Saturn model. It is a 24-foot camper, and like I said, it's been sitting for 4 years, so it is filthy. You can see all this grime here and stuff. That will power wash off very good, very easily. There's a lot of minor repairs and little repairs, such as this wheel well fender cover here. I'm either going to replace that or I'm going to repair it in the way that it just works. Who knows? I'd rather replace it, but we'll see. While it was parked where it was stored for the past 4 years, something or somebody had hit this portion of all this aluminum where this storage door is and hit this corner and peeled this back. So I'm going to have to replace that. If that doesn't get replaced, driving down the road, of course, you can have all kinds of water and debris enter there, and it's going to cause future damage to the front. Although right now there's really, besides that, the front is pretty solid. There's not much going on there that needs to be really replaced or has any major issues. You could see for when I grabbed it from where I had it stored to bring it home, I had to make shift basically a little mount here because the awning that attaches to the bottom here, this wood was all rotted from the damage. You could see insulation and wood that came up out of the bathroom already, and so I just made something work there to a piece of wood that was in the camper that was solid. So come in the camper here, we have the kitchen area or dining area here. This folds down into a bed. This piece up top here unclips in the corners and folds down on top of here, and that's another bed as well. And it's also storage, of course, if you don't want to make it a bed. There's minor things like that that have peeled off that need to be replaced. And the bathroom. So we have the kitchen here, kitchen sink, stove, storage up here, microwave. Over here is a sitting area where you could also sleep on, and then there's 2 bunks here. The refrigerator was the only thing that did not work when we purchased this. We do have the air conditioning unit, which that worked when we purchased it. Of course, it's been sitting for 4 years. Hopefully it still works. And in here is the bathroom. It's a mess. Like I said, this vent was left open, and it just made a mess in here, a horrible mess. All the wood is rotted completely inside here. This floor was so spongy and just a mess. So I started to gut this already. Took out the shower, took out the sink, took out the toilet, and took out the vanity that was on the wall here and started ripping the wood apart. You can see all the electrical wires that go back to all the lights that go in the back of the trailer. Also electrical outlet that was here. So I started taking all this stuff apart. We're going to be tearing this apart completely right down to the bare metal, and or aluminum rather, and we're going to be putting new flooring in, and just everything. We're going to start off fresh. I might even change the bathroom. I don't really know 100%, but we're going to take it apart. We're going to replace what we have to replace to make this nice and solid. The rest of this floor is solid and good right up until you reach this bathroom here. So we're going to replace all that, and hopefully you can follow along with us and see. I'm going to be having future videos of me actually working and getting this stuff done, so you can see how the process goes, and learn along with me, basically, because I've never done this before. And hopefully you enjoy watching this video and all my other videos to come. And please subscribe, please like, and we'll see you in the future. Thank you very much.